If you're a huge chai or tea lover, try out this caramel chai, which is very delicious. It has a very deep color and the flavor is just so delicious. To make this delicious caramel chai, you're going to need a few ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box. Also, you're going to need a few kitchen utensils. That is a sieve, which you're going to use to sieve your caramel chai, a jug, a teapot or a thermos flask, and a cup for sipping your delicious chai. So you're going to move over to your stove top and place a heavy bottomed pot for your chai. Then next you're going to add in sugar. So this is 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I'm going to transfer to my pot. After adding in your sugar, you're going to use a whisk and whisk in the sugar until it's fully melted. So you're going to continually whisk in the sugar so that it doesn't burn. And once the sugar is fully melted, it's going to turn from a very lovely brown color to a deep amber color that is going to be looking so awesome and delicious. Yeah, the kitchen is going to smell of caramel as well. So once the caramel is bubbling, you're going to add in water so that the sugar doesn't burn. Once you add in the water, you're going to use your whisk and whisk in the caramel into the water until it's fully dissolved. Then you're going to let this come to a boil. Then next you're going to add in a tablespoon of loose tea leaves, green cardamom pods, and cinnamon powder. Whisk in and let this cook for around 30 seconds so that all the spices can dissolve into the chai. And after 30 seconds, you're going to add in your milk. Wow, just look at that color. The deep amber color is going to add in a very nice color to our caramel chai, and as well it's going to add in a very nice flavor to our chai. So you're going to let your pot come to a boil and then you're going to let it boil for around a minute over low flame. Sieve the chai, transfer to your jug, and then you're going to transfer to your kettle or your thermos and serve in a cup, ready for breakfast or brunch. After 30 seconds, you're going to put out the flames and your caramel chai is ready. So using my sieve, I'm going to sieve the tea leaves together with the cardamom pods and strain my chai into my jug. Don't mind the mess. And I absolutely love how my caramel chai has turned out. Then next you're going to transfer to your thermos or your kettle. Once you serve your chai, it's time to taste. So good. You can taste the caramel in the chai, and also the green cardamom and cinnamon are very, very flavorful in the chai. So which makes this chai very delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy caramel chai recipe.